High-speed 350mm slitting and folding machine. The machine operates at high speed and stably, and can operate continuously without jamming. Specially designed for labels and adhesive paper processing. Equipped with high-precision webguide system. It ensures accurate paper feeding and neat folding results. The work table features automatic lifting to adapt to various material thicknesses. Running at high speed stably for mass production. It reduces labor costs greatly, ideal equipment for packaging and printing factories. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.